Hi, I'm Amanda with KZRV in Moriarty, and today I'm going to show you around this 2013 Excel. It's the model 34IKR. It is the limited edition, so it will have the fiberglass roof and thermopane windows. It's got a lot of great upgrades. If you're looking for anything like for extended travel or full-time RVing, Excels were the highest rated fifth wheel in the nation, so they were definitely a unit that was geared to that. A big part of that rating was based on their four-season packages. Excels are built with the double insulation in both the ceiling and floors. They were one of the only manufacturers that put any insulation in both the floor and ceiling of their side-out rooms. The other thing that's really unique about the Excels is they did run all of their water lines up right next through your heat ducts in your underbelly storage, so that gives you a lot of added protection from freezing up if you're in extra cold weather, and of course will keep it better insulated whether you're in extreme hot or cold temperatures. This one does have the electric awning. Great spacious pass-through storage here. Lots of great room there. It does have the hydraulic leveling system. It's got three sides. It does have two air conditioners. Spacious front storage compartment. And it does have the glide ride pin box. It also has the upgraded 17.5-inch tires. This is a beautiful floor plan, all the comforts for a home away from home. We've got a gray island kitchen. Good counter space throughout and great storage. All of the cabinetry is solid hickory, so you see you've got really beautiful rich wood grain. And of course you're going to have a much better quality. It's not going to fall apart like a more, particle board type of material. Good little coat closet area here. It has the side-by-side refrigerator. have the microwave convection oven. The 3-burner stove. This is a really great feature here in this kitchen, that you have the oversized pantry. So lots of pull-out trays to make organization really simple. Good counter extension here. Again, lots of storage space. Your dining table will hold an extra leaf. Got the twin recliners. You will have the day-night shades throughout. Here in the rear, we've got the entertainment center, LCD TV, electric fireplace. This will pull out for a convenient little workspace or storage. It does have a hide-a-bed sofa that will pull into a double bed there. It does have the washer and dryer here in the bathroom. Lots of great storage space and closet space here in the bedroom. It's got the LCD TV. Good vanity area. And lots of great dresser drawers. This unit really has all the comforts and upgrades and quality to really make it a perfect home away from home. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are K's RV in Moriarty, and we can be found online at ksrv.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.